Hello guys, our dryer's not heating up. The brand name is Bosch, and we'll see what's the problem is. First thing is you unplug. Make sure don't touch this prong. Then after you remove the plug, you have to disconnect the vent. Next step is to remove this cover here by removing this screw. There are two screws. Okay, after you remove the cover, then you followed by this end cover here, back cover, by removing all this screw here except for that one, and remove everything. Okay, you need star tools to remove this screw here, this type. So at the bottom of this dryer, you can see this whole assembly here. By removing this one, this screw here, you can pull up the whole assembly of this heater element. But before you do that, you have to reset the button of this thermal switch. Let's try. Okay, once you reset, it might solve all the problem. Otherwise, then you need to change the whole heating element. Okay? After we reset the button, then we just fix everything up. Put this back cover over here. Then the top cover. And we'll try. Let's see if it's working. Okay, let's try if it's working. Let's wait for a while. Okay, from 51 minutes, now it's already at 25 minutes. Let's try and check if it's already hot. And start first. Off. Okay, let's try and check. OMG, it's too hot. It's dry. So it means that the reset button is the solution for this problem. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave some comment, and like. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for watching.